G'day guys, welcome to another episode of Aussie Home Haunts. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button. This video is a quick DIY on how to build a creep for your yard or haunt. Okay, so get to your local hardware store and get some lumber, some fixings and some brackets. I found a mask I liked online that was cheap and a pre-made robe for my creep. Take your wood and cut it to size. I'll put my dimensions in the description. Mount your creep onto a cross-style foot, or if you choose to, you might have a different style of mounting method that you'd like to use. You'll want to give your creep some shoulders and some form. I ended up cutting the shoulder wood to a bit of an angle to get a better shape, because it wasn't sitting right when I put the robe on it. Next, I used some old pallet wood to create my fixed pointing arm. A couple of screws kept the elbow shape, and then a couple of large screws to hold the arm against the shoulder bit of wood. Once I was happy with my shape, I padded it out with a little bit of basic padding. To create the head to hold the mask, I created a foam block using my spray foam technique that you'll see in more detail on my gargoyle project video. And then I carved that block down until it fit nicely for the right size for the mask. I cut a hole in the foam head, just the right size for my frame wood, and then I did a test fit. Once happy, wrap it with black stretch plastic and glue in place. I made my second arm articulated to assist in dressing my creep. Drill a hole big enough for a coat hanger wire to go through to use as a split pivot. And if you're going to make your own robe, you might skip this step and you might make another fixed arm instead. As with the other arm, pad out a little bit with some of the padding. Cut two smaller pieces of wood to use as hands. Measure out and cut pieces of wire for thumbs and fingers. I made the digits creepy and long. Using masking tape, build up the flesh. If you want to know what hands look like, you most likely have some in front of you to look at. Otherwise, ask for someone else's. Once you're happy with your shape, wrap in black plastic wrap. I'll go through this in more detail on my Demon project build. Attach hands to arms and use the plastic wrap to cover the padded body bits like a skin. Wrap the rest of the post as well. And there you have it, a quick creep to put in your yard or haunt. Secure your base with pickets into the grass and cover with dirt for effect.